Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Carl again today. And today we've got a
pink constellation.
We've got a constellation.
The pink one?
From 1961.
And what that says?
If you have a look at this one, look, you can see the lovely details. This one here is from 1961.
Oh, and what that says? What that says?
Hoover Constellation. The colour of this one
it's pink.
Is rose and white, and this
Rose
one
and white.
would match the late 50s and late 60s Hoover Juniors and the Hoover Deluxe.
I tell you, this
in
one
the same colour scheme.
When I have this one, it's all scatted up.
Right, should we tell them what happened to this one?
What?
Well, this one actually is the second pink Hoover Constellation we had.
The first one, I plugged it in one sort of second, and I've got pink soap coming out of it.
Yeah, this one.
Soap.
This one is actually what I
My
would call...
No, that's one I bought first.
No, and this is the second one. The first one we got is in the loft. The first one we got was in the loft. We bought from eBay, probably a couple of years back, and it was all scratched and all this lot.
And I have another one.
Yeah, well, I'm going to explain.
Yeah.
So what happened with this one was, we had another one, and it was the motor was stalling a lot. It wasn't really working that well. So then I tried to source another one, and we bought this one from Pre-Loved. And we went all the way, we went about 25 miles down the road, come back, it was working fine.
And answer, it started soaking!
And I was out in the kitchen, and there was black smoke pouring out of this one. And I think the fuse blew on, and the actual fuse in there
Bold.
was actually black, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The actual 13 amp fuse in there was actually black.
It come with another one, and that one did the same thing.
And we come with a free vacuum, and that will be coming up very soon.
That did the same.
Yeah, and that did the same as well.
Yeah, and that one, it's just need buses.
Yeah.
Just
the other one, I managed to rebuild it, and it was fine. It's been working fine.
And
but this
I
one,
rebuild the motor I had, the one at Pre-Loved, it actually burnt out.
yeah, we got this one from Pre-Loved, and I had a bit of an argument with the guy over the price of it, and I think I got it for £20.
Yeah.
And it did come with a set of tools as well, and the hose and everything, so it was a pretty good
my
buy.
first one of these, it's not one in at all. It's just going like this.
Yeah, it kept stalling. What was it? It was the brushes.
The buses.
The brushes are worn out on the other one.
And this one works fine now. And the other one used to be all scattered up.
So what I've done, I took the insides out of the other one, because this one, the motor had actually had blown on it, and I put it into this one. It had
good brushes in it, that one.
And the other one, this one originally had good brushes in. So all I've done is I swapped the brushes around on it, and it's working fine now. And what are you going to show me?
And that handle's decent there.
So I have got a scrap one upstairs in the loft.
Yeah,
doing nothing.
If someone wants parts, they can have...
We have got some parts if somebody needs specific parts for it.
And this one's harder to open than the other ones. That's harder to open.
Yeah, this one here come from a guy in the 70s. He used to fix and repair vacuums, so obviously it wasn't fixed properly. But inside here, look.
I bought this off eBay.
This one
Come on eBay.
is a period correct brand new bag.
I bought this off eBay.
Yeah.
It come two.
These always smell, and I've actually washed this filter, believe it or not. And what you do with these is you soak them in fabric conditioner, and they actually give a nice smell off.
Look, that's what bags. It sits a constellation in that one. Sits that like a suitcase in the constellation.
This one here is a 1970s or maybe even a 60s style bag.
No, the bag bits are the same. See it?
And that one there.
Look, that one's got that, and that one's got that.
So we're not going to be using this bag.
See, that's what that one.
Yeah, that's a portable, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the Hoover portable. And the other one, it looks like the suitcase.
Looks like a suitcase.
And that's can take on holiday and have all these tools in there.
what we're going to...
You know all those hills there? They have all those in the kinder.
They do.
Yeah.
So we'll put that bag up there because we don't really want to use these here.
And you know, you want to sit a handy bag and you've not got one, just do that.
We're actually going to put an Hoover bag in this one. This here is a later style
you
bag.
know, someone did that on YouTube.
I think we grabbed this one out of the blue 1970s Constellation.
Do you know the one I put on the saw?
So,
There, that's the back. Let's go like that.
going to show them the tools that this one come with originally.
No, the other one comes with a shaggy old hose, and this one comes with this. That the one I bought off Peanut comes with all that.
Yeah, we put it in a box to keep it nice and tidy.
See, it comes with the original Constellation hose.
Yeah, and I've actually, this one here wasn't as nice and shiny because I've actually used a bit of car polish and cut the paintwork back.
I think it's got postcode with those.
Yeah, it does.
This is a white one.
Yeah, that's a later one.
That's I think that's like on the back Constellation.
Does it come with a... Oh, we got the crevice tool in there as well.
I think that comes with it. That comes off like a back Constellation or a Hoover Junior. I know what that one comes off. You know that when it bowled up, the compact?
Yeah.
That comes off the compact.
Yeah, we had a compact and it blew up.
Yeah,
Well,
I shock it what comes out of the compact.
So anyway, back to this one. This one was, as you see, it's not in brilliant. It's not in pretty. It's pretty good condition, considering it's 1961, and it comes with a
pink cable.
Lovely pink ribbed cable.
That top, it comes off the Peanut one.
There's a slight miniature dent there.
So I got the Peanut one out. A back cable.
Yeah, the cable we took off the other one because the
one that's in the loft.
The other one in the loft had cut this pink ribbed cable, and the idea was I was going to take all the good bits off the one in the loft and build a perfect machine. So we have got a nice machine here.
And that's the original plug.
And it comes with an MK plug that is a period correct plug as well.
And that's the bestest plug ever.
MKs. So what we'll do now is we'll put the hose on, and then we'll get some Hoover food.
I was just going to put this in my system.
Wow. I've just put some Hoover food down on the carpet.
And here's what
like you say, we have took this period correct bag out. This one's never been used. This actually stays in the machine just for
show.
Just for on show. That one there is the demo bag, isn't it?
Yeah. And here's how you set the Constellation up. Guys, on YouTube we got one. And you get one.
And this one here is his oldest Constellation. They actually did a similar colour one, which was, and the older one, which was, this is an 862. This is the 862, and it was succeeded by the 867. And this one is a Henry Dyfus design. He's the one that actually changed Hoover's designs to make them more trendy, if you know what I mean. So this is actually, and this one here, I don't know about if anybody's old enough, but the Instant Mash, the Smash adverts from the, I think it was the 80s, maybe the 70s.
Yeah. That
Constellation design, that it reminds me of the head of the Smash advert. So I can remember when I was a child, the Smash.
What's that?
And I think they might even have some videos on YouTube about them.
No.
The Instant Mash, the Smash adverts, because they are quite funny as well.
And I tell you, in these.
So that's a Hoover Constellation 862.
In.
Hopefully one day we're going to get the 822, which is the top fill one. So that's the next one we're going to be looking out for. So hopefully one day we will do a video of that. Yeah, it's got the floating brush,
the
isn't
top silver one's got a decent bus. It's got like a
yeah, it has. Yeah, hopefully
got a
we're
hard
get
silver
one
bus on it.
we have looked out on it, and every time I go for one, I'll get outbid on it, or it goes to too much money.
Then I'll pick where.
So
in these, got good heads.
And the other one we haven't got is the new style.
Saturday.
the satellite, that's another one we'd like to have, but there has been a few turn up. And like I say, it's gone for too much money.
It's got loads of them.
Yeah, I base that.
It's got 3 of them. It's got about saucy.
So if Mr. I Begs It ever wants to get rid of one of his satellites, give us a shout.
Yeah, give us a shout.
We're not worried about a box one, but we just want one that's in good condition, and it's got to have the turbo head with it as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Got to have that Hoover turbo head. So we'll switch this one on now.
It's good. In even like a brand new Hoover Constellation, sat in the same like satellite.
So here is
the brand new Constellation. It's got a top head.
Yeah. But here's the 1961
Hoover Constellation mode. 3, 2, 1, and this sounds different now. The buttons. Click the shits. So it's got like a dodgy shit. I know that one's got like a dodgy shit.
Yeah, they do stick with switches.
That's how good one of these constellations is. And I'll take one of this up and we'll show them the shows on something. See how all the constellations are? We've got the slots there.
Done a pretty good job actually for you know, a 1961 vacuum cleaner.
That's how good the shows on there.
Yeah, it is floating, so we won't put it on the carpet, so we clean it.
I don't put it on the carpet, but it's just messy.
Yeah, because if you put it on the carpet with dust on it, it blows the dust everywhere, doesn't it?
Yeah.
As we found out.
On the one. I think it's clean, that's why we're going from there. Here we go.
Amazing. This come out when the space race come out mainly, and when they started putting big fins on the cars to make them look like Flash Gordon style spaceships and stuff. Yeah, well actually that's the best head out of all the constellations, isn't it?
No, they even make a set-out head. They got a partial bus and they got a carpet head. Important. They got a scatsy bus and that's how we also want to be there. You got one. It's really nice. Here we go. I'm going to do the shelter on air siren. Come on! Come on, doggy!
The later ones do float a little bit better because they've got that little aid in there, haven't they? That little foam thing in there.
Yeah, well my Bejac one comes out.
Yeah.
Mum did that too.
So what do you say now?
Bye till now.
And please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8 if you want to see some more Hoovers.
And there's Robot.
Because we've got plenty more. We're still
The
doing
robot's
our.
right
We're
there.
still only into the 60s at the
And the
moment.
robot is like silver.
Yeah, the robot's over there as well. So what
I
do you
think
say
I
now?
need to clean the sensors off.
Yeah. What do you say now?
In that one.
So what do you say now?
Silver wash.
Bye for now,
No.
and please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8. Bye.